How long have you had that waist trainer sitting in your Amazon cart waiting for you to submit purchase, but you're not sure if it's worth it, if it works? Well, here's the intel to help you make an informed and smart decision. Are you ready? Hey, Health Warriors, Tracy here, a licensed clinical social worker and nutrition coach, sharing easy ways you can eat, move, and live a life of mental and physical wellness over 40 and beyond. Have you ever had someone tell you that wearing a waist trainer is bad, that it will negatively impact your organs and jumble things up in there? Surely we don't want that to happen, or anything that might compress or limit the circulation in this midline area of our bodies, right? Self-suffocation? I mean, why? For the longest time, I entertained the real possibilities that wearing a waist trainer would in some way mess up things internally, until I realized that a corset is not the same thing as a waist trainer. Both are designed with similar purposes. However, corset, which is made of steel-like supportive material, oftentimes requires the assistance of someone to kind of lace and strap you in. And I could definitely see how that would be a cause for concern regarding the health and potential displacement of a spleen or rib or something else internally. Now, a waist trainer is often made of like softer latex compression-like material, and I don't know, you can kind of put it on by yourself, which makes it sound just a little less scary, right? Do waist trainers help you lose weight and flatten your belly? Yes and no. Here are my top reasons for investing in a waist trainer. I've not personally experienced any reduction on the scale nor the size of my belly from using a waist trainer. Call me stubborn-headed, but I absolutely refuse to give credit to a waist trainer for the tremendous amount of discipline and commitment I make every single day to eating, moving, recovering, and sleeping to improve my health in order to release 70 pounds of excess weight. I just refuse to give that credit to a waist trainer. Now, the role the waist trainer did play was it gave me a boost in confidence. When I put that bad boy on and I catch a glimpse of myself from any angle in the mirror at the gym or at home, my heart is tender and loving and more accepting of myself. What this does is shift my mental energy to focus on the workout instead of having those whirling thoughts and feelings of inadequacy. Wearing a waist trainer is my chance to, well, practice living a flat belly life, as I am on the path toward having a flat belly. So if you find yourself in need of a little bit of confidence boost when you're going to the gym or even when you're working out at home, maybe a waist trainer might be the right thing for you. After a few weeks of wearing a waist trainer during my workout, a spectacularly funny thing happened. Call it the placebo effect if you want to, but I noticed the quality of my workouts got better. I noticed myself lifting weights with better form and posture. At the end of a workout, and really the next day, that was like the test, I had considerably less back discomfort. I mean, like, what magic had this waist trainer done? Feeling and looking slimmer wearing a waist trainer absolutely bumped up my confidence and my inner self-talk. I started saying things like, look at you, you got this, girl, you are rocking it. Check this out. Wearing a waist trainer tweaked my posture. It got me over here standing taller, back straight, which makes the belly look sleeker instantly. Bye-bye back pain, because any little bit of noticeable diminish of back pains, that's a major thing. Of pains in general is a major thing, because so much aches and hurt and just feels not so great during this time of peri and postmenopause. And that alone might be a reason to invest in a waist trainer. You know, the most surprising benefit I noticed from wearing a waist trainer, the most impactful reason why I continue to remind myself to wear it for a period of time each day, is for how it helps with my IBS, or irritable bowel syndrome. You know, digestive woes, gas, bloating, pain, discomfort. And that was probably not what you were expecting to hear. Well, it wasn't what I was expecting when I started wearing one. Wearing a waist trainer, I found myself being more aware of the state and well-being of my belly. When I'm wearing a waist trainer, I am less compelled to eat beyond capacity. I engage my core more, which actually helps our bodies to dispel trapped gas faster, waking up those peristaltic muscles, which puts us just one step closer to avoiding these waistline destroyers. Eat well, stay active.